let it go. Don't drag it yourself.
Right, ready?
That's it.
Comfy? Lean forward a tiny bit, that's it. See you in a minute.
Sky.
Yeah, bump coming up, lean back into me. There you go. Yeah, that'd be crazy, wouldn't it? Okay, lean back into it. Yeah, you've got to kind of stand still on it. Bumpy bits. Bump, 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 bump. Bump, bump. There we go. Right, cross over. Here, there's a bit of an arse up the way to cross, but we cross this way. Okay, so I'm going to slow it. I'm going to walk over. Ready? Lean your head back. Okay. You right? Comfy? Okay, big bump here. So again, I'm going to stop it. Where there's